In this video, we're going to create blend shapes for our Humpty Dumpty model. As you can see, first you need to unfold the UV, and then here in our workspace, I will go back to General. Now, after unfolding the UVs, let us select all of the models, and we're going to center the pivot, delete the history, and freeze the transformation. So if you're going to analyze the model, the eyebrows are combined to the body and the eyeballs are separated. Next, we're going to rename this one, and we're going to create duplicates. Okay, select the model, Control Dog W, set aside. We're going to create 8 copies. Control Dog W, set aside. Control Dog W, set aside. Control Dog W, and next I will rename them E Shock. Next, E Close. Next, E Angry. And E Sad. Next, we're going to focus on mouth shape. M Open. Next, M Close. Next, M Smile. And M Sad. Okay, now we're going to have some warnings. Go to create type. For the warnings, to our duplicates, first, do not freeze the transformation. Next, do not extrude any component. And do not delete any component. Okay, so when we say component, these are faces, vertex, and edges. Okay, moving on. Now we're going to modify the duplicates. Eyes shock. I will just select the edges or face. In order for me to select the other side, I will go to selection and open the symmetry setting, symmetry object X. Okay, I will just rescale the eye socket. Okay, and for the eyebrows, move it slightly upward. Edge mode, shock. Okay, moving on to next duplicate. Eyes closed. Same process. modify the faces, edges, vertices. So I'm going to scale down. As you can see, we need to move the faces to the front. This time, I will activate X-ray mode, select some of the faces, and move them to the front. Okay. This time, edge mode, select this edge. Okay. Object mode. Moving on to next model, Eyes Angry. Okay. Next, Eyes Sad. Okay. Moving on to mouth shapes. Mouth open. I will just scale up. Next, mouth close. Oops. Okay. Next, mouth happy or smile. Next, mouth sad. Now, to create the actual blend shape, select them one by one. I'm holding shift, select. I'm just selecting the body. Do not include the eyeballs. Next, select the main model. Now go to animation and look for sculpting. Go to shape editor and click create blend shape. Okay, now if we're going to test the blend shape, I will close this one, select the main model, open the inputs, eyes shock. I'm going to activate, put 1. It will take effect on our main model. Going back to 0. Next, eyes close. Go back to 0. Eyes angry. Back to 0. Eyes sad. 0. Mouth open. Mouth close. Mouth smile. And mouth sad. Okay, that's how you create blend shapes to your model.